LW11 class. The skiers that have good abilities in their upper trunks but very limited control in their lower trunks and hips. Skied out of the downhill very surprisingly. It's her third Paralympic Games. She won slalom and Super G in Vancouver. She is the world champion from La Molina in this discipline. A big favourite to take the gold here, but how is she faring against Schaffelhuber? Well, she's off the pace by 0.86. Can she find that on this bottom part of the track? This is the Bears Brow. That's a good line. Through the relatively flat section, setting up for the hardest part of the track, this pitch after the late jump, which is here on this red gate. Oh, skied brilliantly. 106, that's really quick on the gun. Oh no! Loesch has to get hard on that left edge, and it's taken a lot of that 106 kilometers off the clock. 65 miles an hour, comfortably quicker. It was almost 14k faster than Schaffelhuber. Schaffelhuber's time 1:29.11. I don't think will be beaten because of that big time check. Where will Loesch finish? The answer is second, 2 seconds off the pace, and Anna Turney drops to fourth. So it's Germany, Austria, United States. Schaffelhuber, Loesch, Stevens. Claudia Loesch, after the disappointment of skiing out in the downhill,